Hello and welcome to other videos. We're going to be talking about is null and is not null. If you take a look here, let's say here we inserting here a into customer. This is my table. The values that I'm going to insert here is customer. Let's go ahead and first of all we need to go ahead and do, since it's a primary key, customer ID, and we're going to say customer name. And let's say I wanted to put the city here, and I wanted to put the country. And one more things we need to do here, insert values. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and say that. Let's say 92, and refresh the table again. And I wanted to go ahead and say Ella. This is all right, and we're going to say city here in New Braunfels. I'm going to make a mistake on purpose here. New Braunfels. Missing the N here. And also, I'm going to go ahead and put the country USA. And notice here, hopefully we don't have any other misspell. So we run this, one definitely row has been affected. So since we use customer's ID, customer name, city, and country, the remaining of the data are going to be null. So if I wanted to go ahead and say, select everything from customers, and I'm going to specify immediately where customer name is equal Ella. There's only one Ella. All right, and you notice that except for those fields that I filled with data, all right, notice Ella has customer name, contact name is null, address is null, city is in New Braunfels, that misspelled, postal code is null, and country is USA. If I inserted here another one here by saying insert into customers, and I'm going to go ahead and say again customer ID, customer name, and I'm not going to put anything else. Okay, customer name, and I'm going to say the values. We're going to say here 93, and we, of course, that's a key, primary key here, 93, and we're going to say here Roman, and notice the remaining of the data. As you notice, it's going to be, of course, it's been affected. The table has been affected, and we understand that Roman record has been added. So if I wanted to see here, if I wanted to see insert, we could go ahead and insert, but let's go ahead and start looking for the table here. Select everything from that table, customers, where contact name is null, not equal to null, is null. And let's see if it's going to pick up for me both of those records, because both Ella's and Roman record actually have the contact name null. They have the address null, they have the postal code nulls. Roman has the city nulls, and in New Braunfels is misspelled, and there's no country here also for Roman as well. So what are we going to do? If I wanted to go ahead and select is not null, it's going to get me all the record other than the two records for Ella and Roman. So as you notice here, the total record basically is 93 at that time, and now only giving to me 91 record, as you notice. So what are we going to do? We need to be clearly about the difference between is null and is not null. All right, that's very easy to understand. Now, what about if I wanted to change the city for Ella to be corrected from the misspelled word, and I need to go ahead and also change the name of the city for Roman to Seguin. So let's go ahead and start with coming up with a very powerful command. It's called update. Please don't take update to be similar to another command. It has its own requirement. It has its own syntax. So I'm saying here update customer, that's the customer table, customers table. Okay, set is very important to realize the word set. Okay, set, contact, actually, city, city. Two, we want to set it to a new brown folds because we misspelled it, a new brown folds. And again, we have to specify where contact or customer name, sorry, customer name is going to be equal to Ella. That's the correct condition here that we impose in the query where customer name is equal to Ella. The city should be changed to New Braunfels from the one that is being misspelled. So I'm going to run it here and hopefully see one row is affected as number one row. And if I go here and I do the same thing, leave it here as a update customers, and I want to set here, I want to set the city to Seguin here, where customer name is equal to Roman. And this should be able to change the city name for Roman into, okay, I could go ahead and say here again, country equal to USA. All right, any other field I wanted to change, I could change them all at once. And notice here, run this, and if I could go ahead and look at it one more time by selecting the data from customers, that's the name of the table, where customer name is equal Ella, or customer name equal Roman. That should actually give me the list of that with the changes, the list of the record for the two young people here with the changes. Look here, Roman has now moved to Seguin. Of course, Seguin is part of the United States. Hopefully the misspelled Avenue Profiles has been corrected as a result. So now we learned about 3 additional commands: the is null, is not null, and is update. Update table by setting certain attribute to certain values, where you're going to really impose a certain condition on the change. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and we will continue to work with additional commands.